In this video you will learn how to download and operate QuickGenie PC TuneUp application. To begin, open your web browser and visit our official site, QuickGenie.support. The link is in the description. Now click on Downloads. On this page you will get an option to download a free trial or premium version of the software. Download according to your needs. After the download completes, locate the software installer on your computer. Double-click on the installer to run the setup. Once the setup launches, click on Next. On the next page, choose the install location and then click on Install. Once installation completes, click Next. Then click on Finish. Congratulations! You have successfully installed QuickGenie's PC TuneUp on your computer. You can simply click on Start Scan and the software will start scanning your computer for unneeded and potentially harmful files. The total number of detected problems are displayed on the bottom left of the software. Once the scan is completed, you will be presented with the updated health meter showing the current health of your computer. So you can simply click on Fix All and QuickGenie PC TuneUp will take care of the rest. Once the cleanup is completed, you might be asked to reboot your computer. Done. Congratulations, you have just taken the first step towards optimizing your PC.